So one thing I noticed about my strawberry patch, and it's super interesting to notice things in your garden. So if you're ever bored or just looking around, try to figure out things like why they look like that. And so, for example, you guys see my strawberry leaves? They are quite long and lengthy, like leggy. And I think it's because there's so many in here. There's a lot of in this strawberry. This is what I call the strawberry patch. But there's so many in here that I think in order for all of them to grow healthy and strong, they know that they need to share sunlight. So they send long leaves to try to capture as much sunlight as they can. And then so the other plants don't get blocked, they also send long leaves. So like for example, this one that's all the way in the back, it probably doesn't want to get blocked by these ones in the front. So it starts sending out these long leaves that could capture the sun. And then in turn, everything else does the same. So they send long leaves so they could go around the other leaves and capture the sun. Yeah, so yeah, all of these are pretty lengthy. And the reason why I came to this conclusion is because I have this other strawberry patch here. You guys can see this one, where the sun directly hits them in the right now in the morning and in the day, and so the leaves aren't as lengthy as over there. You guys can see it's more bushy on this side. They're more bushy, and they're smaller. But the thing is, these haven't produced that many flowers yet. We have a few coming in over there, but compared to that other patch over there, there's not many strawberries I've harvested from this patch. Same with this one. So these flowers, it's a mix. I could see a few long ones, but for the most part, they're still nice and short and bushy. But like I said, since it's starting to get crowded, maybe in a few months, their leaves will start being super lengthy, like the ones over there. And that will, I guess, confirm my little hypothesis that the sun is what makes the leaves lengthy or short. Because like if they receive a lot of sun, they don't need to continue to grow. They'll just be satisfied with their length. But like over here, since it's a competition for sunlight and like water, I think the leaves are spreading far and wide to capture as much as they can. But yeah, sorry for the yapping. I'm just gonna harvest some berries, some strawberries, and yeah, we'll eat these or make it into a smoothie. And yeah, you guys should start your own strawberry patch to see and notice a lot of these things.